Hey, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a positive mindset. A positive mindset is essential for our overall well-being and happiness, and it's something that can be learned and developed. With the right tools and strategies, you can learn to shift your thinking from negative to positive and improve your mental health. Practice gratitude. The first step in creating a positive mindset is to practice gratitude. This means taking the time to appreciate the things in your life that you are thankful for, and focusing on the positive. Challenge negative thoughts. Challenging negative thoughts is an important part of creating a positive mindset. When a negative thought arises, take the time to question it, and try to reframe it in a more positive light. Surround yourself with positive people. Surrounding yourself with positive people can help to improve your mindset. Seek out the company of people who are supportive and encouraging, and avoid those who are negative or critical. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help to improve your mindset by bringing your focus to the present moment. This can help to decrease stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts. Set and achieve small goals. Setting and achieving small goals can help to create a positive mindset by giving you a sense of accomplishment. Start with something simple and work your way up to more challenging goals. Take care of your physical and mental health. Taking care of your physical and mental health can help to create a positive mindset. This means eating well, exercising, getting enough sleep, and practicing self-care. Conclusion. Creating a positive mindset is an ongoing process that takes time and effort. Remember to practice gratitude, challenge negative thoughts, surround yourself with positive people, practice mindfulness, set and achieve small goals, and take care of your physical and mental health. Remember to seek professional help if necessary, and always. Thank you for watching, and good luck in creating a positive mindset.